Right, today we're going to be cleaning the carpets in my local air museum in Farnborough. Now these carpets, I don't think have ever been cleaned. They're very old, they're very tatty in places. Got some of the edges damaged. Okay, so the objective today is going to be just to kind of give them a little bit of a lift, make them look, we'll try and make them look a bit better than what they look now. All right, this is a freebie because I'm a member here. It's one of my favourite places in Farnborough to come here. Some weekends, throughout here the carpets are actually fairly new. So we're going to give this a very light clean with our Orbot machine, and then through this area here where the gift shop is, the carpets are quite warm, and I mean they're threadbare as you can see. So we just got to make the best of what we can do. Okay, and so any improvement will be muchly very much appreciated by the volunteers here. Right, anyway, I'm going to crack on. Right, well, we've just cleaned this area here with the Cimex. And it's difficult to see under this light, but it's definitely brightened up the carpet a little bit. And if we just move the camera over here, you can see how dark it is where it's still loaded with soil. It's just being vacuumed at the moment. But we've cleaned all around here, and that's all looking really nice now. You can actually see the carpet tile pattern, whereas you couldn't really before. So yeah, it's lifted it, it's got a nice aroma in the air, it's a nice lemon fresh aroma. And this type of carpet here, part of the museum has been cleaned as well. So again, it's looking really nice.